Kajala Megalaya HADUH Kashibaji no Paisingi Jongalai Poteri Unaitung Arja Arpo Kladan Kandangut Kibio Thamayu COVID-19 Balangut Kiblakoi no Director KDHS MI Dr. Amanwar Lapinte Banagni Kandangut Kibio Thamai Katsangut Kidena East KHASI District Hakaba Kalangut Kidikishipai BSF Arngut Kiriu Paitba Iwaina West Jayanti Hills District Iwaina South Garo Hills District but Arngut na West Garo Hills District. Da kajinyo thamai kini ki kharkhandaingot Kajala Megalaya HADUH bapinmi ekni ka khubor kadan praspa lai tali ki positive case Sanspa pratali ki active case Arspa shipotali ki recovered case but sangot ki blaklat no Nagini ki Sanspa pratali ki active case ki East KHASI District kadan South Pa khandai puwai tali Hakaba Arspa san pusawngot ki degi shipai BSF Lai pusawngot na ka armed force but Arspa laingot na ki riu paitba ka West KHASI District kadan Southerly, Riboy District South Pusau, West Jayanti Hills Khatsau, East Jayanti Hills Khatsan, West Garo Hills Khatsan, South West Garo Hills Sau, but ka South Garo Hills kadan kawai ka active case.
The number of new positive cases is 19. East KHASI Hills 15, 13 are BSF and 2 others. West Jayanti Hills 1, South Garo Hills 1, West Garo Hills 2. The total number of active cases is 588. East KHASI Hills 491, BSF 254, others 203, Armed Forces 34, West KHASI Hills 4, Riboy 44, West Jayanti Hills 14, East KHASI Hills 15. Yeah, I mean East Jayanti Hills, sorry. East Jayanti Hills 15, West Garo Hills 15, Southwest Garo Hills 4, South Garo Hills 1. The number of people who recovered till today, newly recovered, are 3. The total number of people who have recovered till date is 210. The number of samples sent for testing till 2 p.m. today is 35,572. The number of persons who tested negative is 34,657. The total number of samples where results are awaited is 112. Number of entrants from outside the state till 30th July 2020 2 p.m. is 24,147.